One-man company. A company where one man holds the full of the company's share capital and to meet the minimum number of members statutory requirement, some dummy members hold 1 or 2 shares each. Generally, these dummy members are the principal shareholders' nominees. The principal shareholder enjoys the business's profit with limited liability. A one-person company as a company that has only one person as to its member. Furthermore, members of a company are nothing but subscribers to its memorandum of association or its shareholders. So, an one-person company is effectively a company that has only one shareholder as its member. Such companies are generally created when there is only one founder or promoter for the business. Entrepreneurs whose businesses lie in early stages prefer to create one-person companies instead of sole proprietorship business because of the several advantages that one-person companies offer. A unique feature of one-person companies that separates it from other kinds of companies is that the sole member of the company has to mention a nominee while registering the company. One-person companies need to have minimum one person, the member, as director. They can have a maximum of 15 directors. One-person companies enjoy several privileges and exemptions under the Companies Act that other kinds of companies do not possess.